Alright guys, are you ready? Oh, and by the way, I just adjust my desk into a beautiful position for better vlogging background. That way it makes more sense that you could ever see things much better around me. Let's go deep dive into what I have for something. And here they are. Alright, so we're going to unbox them one at a time. The first one is, ta-da! This is my new iPad. We're just gonna wait and see first. Okay? Probably to do that. Okay. So let's open this box up. This box lid, but first I just need to unseal this. Oh, yeah. You can slide it onto the right, both sides. With the arrows so that you can tear. No scissors required. And honorably, let's see what this will be. Only one way to find out. Whoa! I'm so surprised. This is officially what I was expecting for. That came out to me in person. And then here we have, right at the back, we got the plug and the cable. And I have the operations manual here. But first of all, before I'm going to obtain this, I need a quick effort noticing on the screen protector. So I have this box over here. On to my next ones here, my accessories. Let's do it one at a time first. So here is the iPad Magic Keyboard Folio, and that's for the iPad. I just pick out this color. I really love this color. Okay, and here are the symbols to see what it looks like. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, and I'm gonna lift out the flap first. I'm gonna peel it and whoa! That's how it eventually looks. It looks a little bit smaller than the family iPad we have. And it looks quite really different. See, those guys have 2 sets here. And this one is more magnetic. This one's magnetic. And you can see the flap over here. Right at the back there. Oh. Well, I thought it's flappable. It's kind of like this one. Let me check on the manual. Oh yeah. So I have to adjust the angle of the screen. And it actually works. It's almost as the desk, as the way that how it's working like that, like how I'm working. And for this one here, I'm just gonna place the iPad there, and ta-da! Just like how the way it looks, almost kind of looks like a laptop. You know, it's not really flexible. It's way too light. I mean, it's way too loose. So it always opens and closes every time that I use this type of iPad, you see. Here. I'm just gonna open it up. And one last thing. Here, this is the keyboard. The Slim Folio keyboard. I put it into US English language. It's a type that's mostly common that I personally type out the text, and within all the other languages as well. And last but not the least, here's the Apple Pencil. Let's pull this out first. And yes, yeah, that's how it should look like. Okay, and the instructions there onto this pocket as well, and can be even unplugged by pulling it. This actually looks so unique. You can actually plug the Apple Pencil onto this led here. So do I know how much do all of these three items cost? Well, in that case, this Apple Pencil is facile to hold and obtain, but the important difference is that it works for iPads and just the iPad tablet, and this extension cord where you plug it in to charge this. It costs around 1,250 bucks. That caused tears of my head. So what am I using it is for my school, and I use for Procreate when I follow you guys. So my artwork, and I do artworks too. So do you know why do I require the iPad, the new iPad? The reason is I use it for school and for my homework, trustworthy, and I even use it for digital art that I can show you through my digital artworks and tips and tricks on how to guide them. And why don't you can just purchase one today. And thank you guys for watching this very special video, and it's so surprising the way that I have big special things that I have been waiting for. So take care, and I'll see you straight through next time.